Anyway, so we took the stove out. Man, oh man, we had a real serious issue here. We had to shut the gas off. We couldn't do the gas lines, 30 years. So I'm gonna redo the gas lines tonight after we're done working on the floor. I'm gonna have to go get some pieces and parts, and I did get a new stove. The stove was 30 years old, and we're not gonna put an old stove back in. This is the pipe that was there, and we couldn't take it apart, so we had to get all new stuff. And then of course you have to shut the gas off, so now you have to relight your pilot, so you need one of those tools. And so these little projects that start off little and get real big. Now these compartments are very tight, and so I measured out that we had 1.25 inches, and so I was able to put this base coat down. And basically what's going to happen is this countertop, the dirt and food is going to get knocked down, and it's going to hit this top of this base coat, which now will make it easier to clean. And so, you know, if you pull out the stove, we could take a quick rag and clean it. Not only that, but it's also holding down this floating floor. As you're pulling this stove in and out, there's friction. And not only is there friction, it can destroy this floating floor. There's nothing to hold this thing down. So now we've got it held down by 3 sides. We're serving as a cleaning surface area. And also, I didn't screw around, but on this new stove, I bought a new gas line, and we're gonna check its connection right now. Guess what else you guys forget a lot of times? This little thing comes with every stove. It's called an anti-tip device. Now, I'm gambling that I measured it right, and you know, I've only put 3 screws in instead of 4, because I figured, you know, I'm a schlop, so I may be off by 1/4. If I'm off by 1/2 inch, it's not gonna fit, and it's not gonna work. I have to come back in here and take that thing out. The reason you have to put these in is because American children are pretty stupid, okay? I hate to say it, but they're not that smart, most of them. And so what happens is they want to go up here to this cabinet, because that's where we're going to hide the marshmallows, you know, and they want to get to the marshmallows when Mom goes outside to water the grass. So what they'll do is they'll open this thing up, okay? They're going to open up the stove, and guess what they're going to step on? They're going to step on that to get to that, because that's where the marshmallows are at. And guess what's going to happen if you don't have an anti-tipping device? This puppy is going to flip over. The kid's going to hit his head on the back of this. He's going to have a concussion. This stove is going to come down and crush his skull, and that dumb kid will be done. It'll be over for him. And so you need to put these anti-tipping devices. I know, oh, our kids are grown up. We don't need them anymore. Yeah, you do, because now you're going to be old in your little wheelchair, you know, watching your little TV show, and your kids are going to come visit with their little kids, and their little kids are going to think that's where Mommy hides the marshmallows. They're going to use it. So you got to put these in. You never know who's going to be in your kitchen. You might be out of town. So anti-tipping devices are very, very important. So let's see if Marko's gas. There's a gas detector, and we're going to check to see if we have any leaks. All right, here we go. And I used Teflon tape. I also used, that's the Teflon tape, and I used that's Teflon glue. And I don't know if you're supposed to use both, but I did. I put Teflon tape on thin and a little bit of Teflon glue. That's a new shutoff, a new gas line. All right, we're good here. So let's check it out over here. And you know what? When you buy these stoves, when you buy this gas pipe here, it comes with a little package. You know, what is this package? No, it's not soap for your shower, okay? No, that's not for your hands either when you get dirty doing this. It's to actually put onto these connections. And if it bubbles, you got a leak. So, because I got a $1,200 gauge here, and I know you guys don't have one of those. It's like kind of a home inspector thing. Okay, so here's the new stove. You guys are wondering if it was going to slide in real nice with my anti-tipping device. Guess what? It fit like a charm. And so if a little child happens to step on this, it's not going to flip over and kill them. So anti-tipping devices are very important.